When you open your mind to the impossible, sometimes you find the truth. Builderall is the most complete and affordable digital marketing platform. That is why most people think there is a catch. So, a free trial is the solution.
I don't know what this is, but it's kind of hot.
Hello, in this video we are going to see how to add a web shell to your WordPress installation on Builderall. In fact, not really a web shell because you don't need to, but a small file explorer. So as I said, in WordPress site builder in your Builderall, you see when you enter into the admin of your WordPress, you see you have pre-installed plugin called WP File Manager. With this, you can upload files and you can also create new files, so new PHP files or just upload. But you need to enter into your WordPress admin, then go to this plugin, and then you have this file explorer. But if you want an easier way to do it, you need to install a file explorer written in PHP inside your WordPress, so that you can just type in your browser the name of your URL of your blog slash and the folder in which you have put your file explorer. So if you go to GitHub, you see here you have a PHP backdoors. Backdoors, they are web shells, so they are more complex piece of PHP code which allows you to do a file explorer, of course, upload files, download files, but also to do other things that can be useful, like run shell commands directly on your server, or download dumps of database for your WordPress database. Those are all things you can do with plugins on WordPress, most of them. But having a simple PHP file in order to do everything can be good. So you can see here Bardblaze slash PHP dash backdoors on GitHub if you want to have a lot of backdoors. But the one we use today is just here on GitHub also, marecray slash encode dash explorer. It's very simple one. So you can see here there is one file. So what you can do is to click on this file, so you can either download it on your computer and upload it on your WordPress, or you can just create a new PHP file on your WordPress and just copy and paste this code. So I will show you the way to do it without uploading, just creating a file. So we go back to here. It's I already created one, so I will delete it. Delete. Okay, remove. So here you create a new file, PHP source called test.php. Okay. When you create it, it asks you a new file complete edit file, and here you have a small text box. So you will copy and paste. So I go back to GitHub. Here I just copy everything. Copy. Go back to the plugin. Here I paste. And inside you can edit some things, like adding a username and password, so that your file explorer is protected. Even if people know the address, they cannot enter, they cannot use it. So you go at the start and you just read. Here are the settings for configuration. Initializing variable, don't change those. User interface. Permissions. The thing is, my computer is very slow, so it's not very usable. Because I am recording this video, maybe it's frozen at the moment, but I see that my interface is very slow. So I will not bother with this. I hope that per default there is no username involved, so I can show you the result, hopefully, if the video is not too frozen. So should be fine now. So I go to my browser, I go to test.php, I refresh, and it should show the interface of the file explorer. Yes, so we have it. This is the interface, so it allows us to easily explore files. Maybe here I don't have the option to upload because I think it's in the configuration that you have to set up, yes, allow upload files, and then you have to set username and password. But here you can browse without entering into your the WordPress admin. Then in the plugin you can do. But it was just an example to show you that how it can be done to add any PHP to on your Builderall. This is the first time ever that we have been able to do it. Before it was very protected. You could not run any PHP. Now you can put a PHP file in here. So you have the URL, and after in Pixel Perfect you can use with the HTML app. You can embed in your website a PHP. So now you don't need a web server elsewhere, web hosting elsewhere, in order to run simple PHP files for functionalities that you want. For instance, I will not do any example because you can think when you need it, you know that sometimes you need it, but you can do it with Builderall. Now you can with this way by using the WordPress of Builderall, and inside you can upload PHP files so that you can use it then in your Pixel Perfect or even in your WordPress site. Just embed an iframe, and inside this iframe you use the PHP file that you have hosted on your WordPress server in Builderall. That's it. Bye bye, and sorry for the freezing in the video. Not my fault, it's my old computer. Bye bye.
Don't let your kids watch it!